all of my clothes are wrinkly. I'm a little tired this morning, but I've got to update you guys on some really bad news. We brought my dog. She's not a service dog or anything, but I'm sorry, I forgot what I was going to say. I can't do this.
Yikes. How many times have you seen that presenter? Worse, how many times have you been that presenter? Those first 5 seconds, that first impression, sets the tone for the entire presentation. We oftentimes just jump right into it, not knowing how to take that presentation off. We don't take the time to turn into the speaker. So the next time that you have a presentation, remember, take a nice deep breath, establish eye contact, and welcome your audience into your presentation. I'm Jessie Dottino, and this is today's tip from EffectivePresentations.com.